Tired of unreliable power supply? Tired of expensive solar beyond your budget? Digital Menorah Technology Limited got you covered. Introducing our affordable solar-powered lighting and charging system. A compact, powerful system designed to light up 1, 2, or 3 rooms with ease. Starting from just $35,000, you can enjoy reliable solar panel without breaking the bank. Affordable, long-lasting, clean renewable energy, power lights and charges devices, no noise, no fuel. Choose the package that fits your needs and your budget. It's reliable, durable, and eco-friendly, the perfect solution for every home. Powered by innovation, delivered by Digital Menorah Technology Limited. Contact Digital Menorah Technology today and experience power without limit. 0803 to 712 221 or 09159 to 32. Join thousands enjoying reliable solar today. Digital Menorah Technology Ltd, bringing the sun into your home.